Hey guys, this is our DE4 tester car that we've had for a while. Nassif owns this car. It started off with the Remark exhaust at first, and then we handed over to MBRP for development of the MBRP exhaust that was available for the SI Integra. And today we're going to be trying out the new Invidia Q300. 2 weeks ago we brought you the Invidia N1. This is the even more subtle version of it, the Q300. So let's unbox this right away. Just popped open the staples first. Take out all that packaging. Comes really well packaged. These things come from Japan, so to make the trek over, you got to make sure that they're safe and secure. We've got the first mid pipe. Put that off to the side. A little Y pipe that goes to the both rear mufflers. Right down the ground. Now this is what's important. So we've got quite a large muffler with an integrated tip over here. So we're going to take out the rest of the pieces as well. Let me just do that. That's the second drill tip. Hardware. Mid pipe, which is resonated. You always want a resonated mid pipe. We've tested out a bunch of exhausts without resonators in the mid pipe, and it just becomes unbearable in the cabin, especially with this car having a 271 Catted Downpipe. We don't want the extra noise when cruising. One of the reasons we're switching out the exhaust is also just to tone it down a little bit. We know that Invidia typically does a very conservative exhaust. So although the MBRP is already quiet, just want it a little bit lower. So, install number 2 for the day. We finished off with the FE1 and the rear sway bar. Now it's time to do the Invidia Q300 on the DE4. We've had the MBRP on this car for a while. We'll input some clips in there as well. Love the exhaust, but time to try something else. So, Q300, what's unique about it? 2 weeks ago we showed you how the N1 had the twin, large cannon mufflers, as I call them, whereas the Q300 has much larger mufflers, so it's supposed to muffle, reduce the overall volume a little bit more. The reason why, because this car does have a Catted Downpipe by 271, so Catted Downpipes increase or double the volume level. So we want something a little bit lower for this car. We start off here. This connects to the front pipe all the way back. Resonated. You always want resonated exhaust. Reduces in-cabin drone, especially at highway, freeway cruising speeds. Then we have the rear section pipe, which leads to the T-pipe. Love this little attention to detail. And then we have both rear mufflers. Really like how they have the rolled tip. This is a nod to old JDM exhaust. A lot of current exhausts, they come with a straight cut tip. So it's been a while since we've seen rolled tips. Next up, we're going to get this car up on the hoist. And I'm going to start taking the MBRP off and putting the Invidia on. Whee! Alright guys, exhaust is on, so it is a 2 3/4 all the way back, middle resonator, and right back, Invidia plaque, really cool detail, and then the twin mufflers with rolled 4-inch roll tips all the way back. Super nice. Almost think that it looks native on the DE4, so this is one of the quietest exhausts available, and we're going to find out soon. We're going to drop the car and start it up. Keep in mind that the car has a 271 Catted Downpipe.